Intro. Electric knife sharpener are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best product name from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Presto 08800 EverSharp Electric Knife Sharpener. Sharpen kitchen and sport knives to a razor-sharp edge fast and economically. Easy 2-stage sharpening system for professional results at home on most any non-serrated blade. Sapphirite sharpening wheels grind a precisely angled edge, then fine hone and polish for a razor-sharp edge. Sapphirite sharpening wheels are made of the same ultra-hard material used in professional sharpening shops. Precision blade guides hold knife at the perfect angle. Draw knife through each slot a few times for a razor-sharp edge. 2-stage sharpening system quickly and easily sharpens most any non-serrated blade for professional results in the convenience of your home. Presto knife sharpener is 120 volts. NUMBER2. Kitchen knife sharpener. 3-stage knife sharpening tool sharpens chef's knives. Knife sharpener. Get a razor-sharp edge in seconds. Kitchen knife sharpener. Give it a few proper pulls at each slot in one direction, and your knife will come out reset to factory sharpness. The simple, foolproof sharpener will satisfy most people, and they all do the job quickly. That means you'll always have sharp, safe, effective, and enjoyable knives at hand. A complete 3-stage sharpening device. Kitchen knife sharpener with diamond tungsten steel and ceramic rods for fixing, coarse sharpening, and honing. The Messer kitchen sharpener will take care of your blades in every way. This compact but mighty device eliminates the need to have several stones and honing rods in your kitchen, saving space in your countertop. Knife sharpener safety always matters. Whether you're right or left-handed, the ergonomic handle and the slip-resistant mat offer a secure, stable, confidence-inspiring grip. We're even providing a cut-resistant glove for added safety. A stylish addition to any home knife sharpener. The handle crafted from solid ABS plastic. It's strong, durable, and designed to last a lifetime. Kitchen knife sharpener made with high-quality materials. Knives will work like new. Carefully packaged to avoid breakage. A Messer knife sharpener is packaged in a well-wrapped box to make sure you will not receive damaged or defective item. Number 3. Chef's Trizor 15XV Professional Electric Knife Sharpener for kitchen knives. Convert your knives. Ideal for converting traditional 20-degree factory edges of household knives into high-performance Trizor XV 15-degree edges diamonds. Advanced stropping stage and 100% diamond abrasives for sharpening straight edge and serrated blades. Easy to use. Advanced patented flexible spring guides for automatic adjustment and accurate control of the sharpening angle. And feature simple on-off switch. 3 stages. 3-stage edge select sharpening system for optimum versatility in providing the perfect edge for each cutting task. Stages 1 and 2 are plated with 100% diamond abrasives to sharpen and hone the edge. And stage 3 uses a patented flexible abrasive system to polish and help prolong the life of serrated knives. Razor sharp. The 15 Trizor XV combines the strength and durability of the Trizor edge with the flawless, ultra-sharp 15-degree XV technology. Time required to sharpen is approximately 1 minute for first-time sharpening, and resharpening is approximately 10 seconds. Electric sharpener. Easily apply the astonishingly sharp Trizor XV edge for ultimate sharpness and effortless cutting. 3-year limited warranty measures. Approximately 10 liters x 4.25 watts x 4.25 inches. NUMBER4. WorkSharp Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener. The WorkSharp Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener is an angle-guided 3-sided abrasive jig and clamp-style sharpener that makes manual sharpening faster, easier, and more precise than ever. Adjustable, repeatable sharpening angle can be easily adjusted from 15 degrees 30 degrees in 1 degrees increments. Tri-abrasive rod quickly index between coarse and fine diamond and fine ceramic stone. V-block clamp. Removable clamp secures knife safely and consistently. 3-year warranty protects every WorkSharp tool against defects due to workmanship or design. NUMBER5. Chef's 130 Professional Electric Knife Sharpening built-in precision angle guides in all 3 stages. Eliminate guesswork and produce consistently sharp edges every time. Professional sharpening, steeling, or stropping for all types of 20-degree class knives. Sharpen both straight edge and serrated knives including kitchen, Household, sports, and pocket knives. Electric 3-stage sharpener with 100% diamonds in stage 1, super hardened sharpening steel in stage 2, and flexible stropping discs in stage 3. Optimum edge customized for every cutting task. Stabilizing rubber feet hold the unit securely to the work surface. Single on-off button. 3-year limited manufacturer's coverage.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below.